Uh-huh. Another CAE. Oh my god, what the?
The New Jersey State Police is activating the Amber Abduction Child Alert Plan. The Rahway Police Department is investigating a confirmed child abduction, which occurred at 915 Westfield Avenue in the city of Rahway in the county of Union at approximately 9 a.m. on July 9th, 2021. The child, Sebastian Rios, is a 4-year-old black male with brown hair and brown eyes. He's approximately 3 foot 5 inches tall and weighs approximately 47 pounds. The suspect, Tyler Rios, is a black male, approximately 27 years old, with black hair and brown eyes. He is approximately 5 foot 9 inches tall and weighs approximately 220 pounds. The suspect was last seen operating a 2018 silver Ford Fiesta with New Jersey registration, Sierra 34 November Victor Hotel.
Holy crap. Holy crap.